Hello guys, I welcome you to this tutorial. We're going to continue from the last time where we left off. In this tutorial, we are going to implement how to delete items on the recycler view. So what we want the customer to do, you want him or her to hold. Then once he holds, then an alert should come where he or she will confirm to delete or not to delete. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to create our own custom alert dialog. Okay, I'm going to show you the process to do that. Then also we shall implement techniques like interfaces where our alert dialog will be communicating directly with our activity. Okay, so open your Android Studio, then go to your main package, then add a new package, name it dialogs. Okay, then create a new class, a new empty Java class. We name it confirm dialog, right? Great. So in order for a class to act as an alert dialog, we need to extend the dialog fragment class, right? So extends dialog fragment. Great. Then also for the layout, we also need to create a custom XML layout. Okay, so go to your layout, then new layout resource file, then you name it confirm dialog. Then the layout, I think I want a relative layout. Okay, great. So what we need first is a text, right? Text view. Way to ask, are you sure you want to delete or not? Okay, these are preview. Okay, so our text will ask a question. Are you sure? Sorry, are you sure you want to delete this customer? Okay, then also we want the text to be bold, so text style, you need it to be bold. Okay, what are the things that we need to set? I think it's okay. I think the size of our text is a little bit small, so text size, we put it to 17 sp, 16. Okay, about 16. Okay. Then the next thing that we need to add our button, the yes and then now confirm buttons. Okay, so drag your button, then add it just below. Okay, then I'll switch to XML. Then for the button, first button, I think it's yes. Then we name it btn yes. Okay, I think we're done here. Okay, then we also need to add the no button, right? Go to your widgets, then you drag your button. So put it to align it just top bit. Okay, then we change the text to no. Then we change it to btn no. That's our reference name for button. Then I think we need to make it wrap content. Our height should wrap the content. Okay, then also we need the padding. I think the padding top space, I think I'll put it to 10 dp bottom I'll put it to 15 dB. Padding left and right. I think for now I'll leave it like that. Okay, great. Our layout is done. Then now we go to our confirm dialog fragment. Okay, so the first thing that we need is to instantiate our layout XML layout variable. So we have two buttons. So the first button, name it btn, yes. Implement the method. Okay, and the other one, private button btn no. Great. Then the next thing that we need to do is to inflate our XML layout on our dialog class. So the first thing that we need to add is on create view method. Okay, so let's press a control on create view. Right, great. So the first thing that we need to do is to instantiate our view is equals to inflator.inflate. Call the inflate method so that we can inflate our XML layout. Ara.layout. Sorry. Layout dot confirm. Okay, it wants us to import the Aura class. Confirm dialog. Then now at the end. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do now is to reference our buttons. Btn yes is equals to button view.find view by id r.id r.id.btn yes. Okay, then for the button no, it goes to button view.find view by id r.id.btn no. Okay, great. Then also we add our click listeners, btn no dot set on click listener. Then another one btn yes dot set on click listener. Okay, great. Then also we need to implement click listener methods. So we make it implement this method. Okay, great. Great. Okay. So the next thing that we need to do is to set the title of our dialog. So get dialog dot set title. Delete customer. Right. Then the dialog I think should not be dismissible by clicking anywhere on the screen, so you should not make it cancelable. Okay, false. Great. Then here we need to return the view. This view. Okay, great. You're doing a great job, guys. Then the next thing that we need to do is to add an interface. Okay, this interface is going to help our fragment to communicate with the main activity, right? Okay, so go at the bottom of your class, then add public interface. I'll call it communicator. Right. Then we have a delete method. I'll call it delete customer. Okay, great. So in order to implement this delete method from our dialog, we also need to name it here, communicator. I think I'll change this. I'll remove the I think it looks weird. Okay, so we need also to call on attach method. This method will be called when our fragment communicator method is being attached to our activity. Okay, so on attach, right? So on our attach, we need to instantiate our communicator. Communicator is just to communicator. Then we cast it to this context. Okay, great. Now our dialog is done. Then also here, I think let's just put the on-click listeners for our buttons. Okay, so say if v.getID is goes to r.id .btn, btn yes. Okay, then also if v.getID is goes to r.id.btn no. Great. Awesome. Great. So now we need to see if our activity is calling our fragment, right? So we go under Blitz car wash. Okay. So we go on our long click method, right? So for us to call our dialog fragment, we call it in this way: confirm dialog. Confirm dialog. This goes to new. Confirm dialog. Then confirm dialog.show. Then need a support fragment manager. Then an optional tag. Just name it confirm. Okay, great. So let's run our application and see if we can show our custom dialog. Okay, great. So let's try to hold. Oh, we have a crash. I think there's a bug there. So let's see our log. Cannot cast that confirm dialog communicator. So you see on attach, yeah, we need to implement this in our activity, right? So we didn't do that. Okay, so go to your activity, then here, then you need to implement communicator, right? Then it will ask you to implement also the methods within. In this case, we have the delete method. This one, the delete customer. So if you hit Alt Enter, then implement the methods. Right, great. We have an override here. Okay, great. So let's try to rerun again and see if our dialog will show up. Okay, great. I'll hold it here. Wow, great. Our dialog is coming out well. Okay, great. So in the next tutorial, we are going to implement the delete method using our custom dialog. Okay, great job, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial.